Gretchen! Helga! Attack!
I'm in the process of giving myself a glow up, and that includes dyeing my hair, doing my nails, taking care of my skin, doing my eyebrows. I might get eyelash extensions. We'll see if there's a salon that has an opening nearby. I'm going to do my makeup routine and put on a cute fall outfit. Let's go from this, and you'll see at the end. This is hair dye. I bought it from Walmart. Not too proud of that fact, but figured I'd just let you know. It was like 12 bucks or something. And I saw that Dua Lipa, Ariana Grande, Rihanna, some other people were doing this color. And I also saw Ramon, who's an R&B artist, have this color. Obviously, I have different coloring than a few of these people, but I really do love this hair color, so we're gonna give it a go. And I have a few grays. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but there's just a few up here and some on the side. So this is great for gray coverage. Hopefully it works well. Gonna change my shirt and dye. Not like me dye, but dye my hair.
2,000 years later.
In the shower, I also shaved my legs. 2 birds, 1 stone. So we will see what this looks like in just a minute. I also am going to do a face mask and laminate my brows. This is the process of glow up. So I also need to redo my nails and my toes, but no free feet pics, guys. I have a gel manicure set that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below. I think I'm gonna do like a dark brown with white polka dots if I have that. We'll see. My hair turned out nicely, pretty evenly dyed. It is quite a bit darker than I expected and a little bit less red. So I didn't achieve the exact color, but I do like it and I think it's good for fall. So we're gonna style it now. Toes are done. Nails are also done. I'm doing my eyebrows in the most insane way because I ran out of saran wrap, which is what you're supposed to use, so I'm using wax paper. I've done it before, so I know it works, but this looks a little psychotic. Did my hair, did my eyebrows, did my nails, did my toenails, did the face mask. That all took about 3 hours. I haven't even done my eyelashes yet, done my makeup, or put on my fall outfit. I went to Alchemy Lash and Brow in Dallas, which I had never been to before, for my eyelash extensions. I didn't see their website beforehand. I think next time I'll try the cat eye look, but they did a very good job, and I had found a coupon on Groupon. So that had brought the price down to $63. Okay, I got the eyelash extensions. As you can see, it took a really long time, 2.5 hours. As I was laying down there, my eyes were watering and burning, so beauty is pain. I'm going to do my makeup quickly. outfit.
Polo is exhausted because Majesty, only Polo, can take this and give you
A princess.
I put on some jewelry from my own brand. That is the complete catfish. It took 3 hours on Sunday to do my hair, my brows, and my nails. And it took 2.5 hours on Wednesday to do my eyelashes. And then it took about another half an hour to do my makeup and get dressed. So that is 6 hours put into being beautiful. Beauty is time consuming and it is painful. But I think it's worth it. I feel good, I feel confident, and I hope you guys enjoyed this process and this video and it helps you put together your fall looks. See you in the next one.
I love your eyebrows. We'll call them Frida and Kahlo. If Brooke Shields married the Groucho Marx, that child would have your eyebrows.